We now move to session 6, Building Self-Confidence by Mr. Shanmugasundaram. Mr. A. Shanmugasundaram is a psychologist, motivational speaker and HRD trainer. He has an academic background in psychology and has more than 3 decades of banking and about a decade of training cum counseling experience. It's over to Mr. Shanmugasundaram.
Good afternoon. So in fact, it's a great day for all of us, is it not? Is it a great day or not? Great day, really. You are going to be empowered with 56 topics by 18 experts. Good. Knowing others is wisdom. Knowing yourself is enlightenment. How many of you know about yourselves? How many of you are feeling confident? How many of you are looking confident and how many of you are feeling confident? Everybody has dreams, lot of dreams to achieve, lot of dreams, aims, expectations, wishes. But all the winners and achievers had one factor in common. They had a powerful confidence level. Their confidence level was so high. Self-confidence is the main engine for the car. If you want to drive fast your car, the engine should be a perfect one. You can attach any extra parts. The powerful item is the engine. You should have a confident mentality. We are all born powerful. How many of you can understand? How many of you can support my point? We are born powerful. How many of you can? Please raise your hand. Yes. We are born powerful. I can tell you, share 2 scientific facts. In the school curriculum, we might have learnt about the human reproduction. But I am going to talk about the scientific methodology. When a small egg from the female system, one small egg is produced, and from the male system, lakhs of sperms are produced. Out of the lakhs of sperms, only one sperm has the power to join with the egg, and thus after joining, we got life. At the time of birth itself, we have defeated lakhs of sperms. We are born powerful. Where our confidence level have gone now? Why we are not looking confident? Why you are not feeling confident? Where we have lost the power? We don't know about ourselves. We are yet to know about ourselves. We are all along analyzing about the negative factors of other persons, but we are yet to know about ourselves. We don't know what are the strength we have. In which areas we are strong, we don't know. When you are attending an interview, there is going to be one question. What are your strengths? That may be a direct question. If I am in the interview board, I will put it in a different way. What are things really you are proud about yourself? What are things if I ask your professor, lecturer about yourself, what he or she will say about yourself? Unless you know about your strength, you cannot feel confident. Your self-esteem will not go high. Your self-esteem should be high only when you know the power inside. We are born powerful. Throughout our life, we can achieve a lot. Unless the confidence level is maintained, somewhere we will be losing our life. Many people are rationalizing ourselves. Previous speakers have touched upon the points. We have been telling ourselves a lot of negative self-talk is going inside our mind right from the morning to till evening to go to bed. I am not lucky. I know about my luck. What my astrological chart says. My horoscope says like this. So many self-talk is going on inside. You have to change. You have to change the self-talk. Right now, from today onwards, run only the positive self-talk. Powerful confidence level will come up. And I will give one more powerful scientific fact. You will really surprised to know. The one egg is joining with the one small sperm. The sperm cannot be seen with the naked eyes. It can be seen only through microscope. But the small, very smallest tiny particle is having a small DNA and gene. It is carrying a software. After the birth, at the age of 5, how the boy should be, how the girl should be. At the age of 10 years, how the boy should be. At the age of 20 years, how the girl should be. Like that. You might have seen the people around. Mother and daughter will be going in the road. Two will be looking alike, just like Xerox. What is a beautiful software is given there? If father is tall, son is also become taller. A very big software is written inside a very tiny particle of the sperm or the egg. Our system is so powerful. Our mind and body is they are so powerful. We are yet to know the power of it. Our confidence level has to come up. Otherwise, we may not be expecting the results to come. Are we expecting the oranges to fall sitting under the apple tree? We don't have the mentality to enjoy the apple. At the same time, we don't have a mentality to shift to some other place where oranges can fall. Our expectation, sometimes it may be wrong. Our confidence level goes down. And other people are giving comments about yourself, and our confidence level goes down. While wearing a tie or wearing a blazer, I am asking the other person, how it is it looking nice? Somebody says nice, my confidence level immediately goes up. And somebody says it's not looking nice, my confidence level goes down. My happiness goes down. My happiness lying inside or outside? Our happiness should be lying inside. If you are searching outside, we will be miserably failing in our life. Feel happy. Don't look happy. Don't rationalize yourself that I am not lucky. I am not that much capable. I know what is my power, like that. Don't underestimate yourselves. It doesn't matter what the world is going to think about you, but what you think about yourself, that is going to be the matter. Feel confident. Feel I can do. Have I can do mentality. Definitely all the doors are open for you. You have to improve your confidence level. I'll give you some of the tips how you can improve your confidence level. Even the interview board, people are checking up one of the parameters whether the candidate is a confident person or not. If a confident person, if it's not a confident personality, he may not be able to answer the questions properly throughout the 20 minutes, 15 minutes time. Till the end of the session, you have to maintain the confidence level. You should be looking at the other person's eyes. If your confidence level is not high, you may not be looking at the eyes of the interviewer. So confidence level plays a major role in our life. All the achievers had that. All the successful people had that. So definitely, we have to build up our confidence level. Yes, I can do wonders in my life. My purpose of the life is definitely do something special. I can do wonders in my life. I can achieve a lot. That type of feeling should be running inside your mind. You have to analyze about yourself. You might have come across some training sessions where SWOT analysis are being done. Only in the training sessions we can analyze about ourselves. All along we have been analyzing about other people only. So what are your strengths? In which area you are strong enough? In which area you can develop further? Only in your stronger areas we can shine in your life. Which area you are really strong enough? Where is the potential is there? Definitely you can develop a lot and shine, and you can increase your income also multifold in that area only. In which areas you are lacking confidence, in which areas you are lacking control, I don't want to say the word weakness, but you can say in which areas I want to improve myself, in which areas I want to change myself, which are the areas stopping my success. A balloon has to fly means it has to fly. If so many threads are there, definitely the balloon will not fly. If it has been tied up with so many threads, definitely the balloon will not fly. So you have to see that the balloon is flying high. We have the power to fly high, but still we don't feel so because our confidence level is low. We have the power to fly just like an eagle, but we feel like a chicken and will live like a chicken because our confidence level is too low. We have to find out what are the opportunities in your life. Which opportunity I can use, I can come up in my life. Which area I can shine well. What are the opportunities available in that line? Every day is a new page in your life history, in your life directory. You can create a new page in your life every day. Every day is a wonderful opportunity for you. You can change